What's up everyone, this is Kibet Brian, and in today's video guys I'll share with you how to make money online for free with Amazon. So in today's video I'll share with you how to register with Amazon Influencer Program. So these are programs that will allow you to promote Amazon products and earn a commission. So in order to register with this program, you should have a social media account on either Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. So in order to get approved, I think you should have at least 1000 followers or 1000 subscribers. So for me, I used my Instagram account, and I'll share with you how to register with this program and show you a proof if it really works. So without wasting my time, let's get into my laptop so that I can show you how to register with Amazon Influencer Program. So let's get into my laptop so that I can show you how.
For you to register with Amazon Influencer Program, come to your Chrome browser and search for Amazon Influencer Program. From here, go to Amazon Influencer Program, sign up and click it. So this is where you will go next. This is the page that will appear when you click the Amazon.com Influencer Program, sign up. So already have an account with Amazon.com, but if you don't have an account, you can just click create a new one. So here you will fill in the details and create your account. So after that, come back and sign in and click continue. So after that, come back and sign in. So after creating your account, you come back to the influencer page you want to register. So to become an influencer, you can register as a USA influencer, Canada, India, UK, Singapore, or many other countries that have Amazon. So you can register from anywhere in the world, but for me I registered with the one belonging to US because most of my customers are from US. So but for this example, let's use the India. So this is the influencer program page sign up for India. So as you can see, it asks for signing. Signing, you enter your account, Amazon India account. So let me enter my Amazon India account to sign in. So before this, guys, we will be given four social media option, that is Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. So for me, I chose Instagram, and what I was asked to give is the username belonging to my Instagram account, the number of followers, and the number of posts. And I was confirmed as eligible for this program. And now I can move on and fill in other details, upload my profile picture, a cover photo, and then click next. So but for now I'll not do this because I'm not interested in the India account, but this is just an example of how the sign up look like, and it's really simple, guys. It's something you can do. So after being considered eligible for this program, you fill in all the details, and after 5 days you'll get verified, but less than 5 days I think, because I got verified after 3 days. So after getting verified, you can come back and create a storefront for products that you want to advertise. So for now, let me show you how my storefront look like. Let me sign in to my influencer account. So this is my influencer page, and let's go to my storefront. So guys, this is the URL you will share on your social media, but I will also show you a simpler one how you can share the product list directly. So guys, this is my influencer page. As you can see, this URL I was given and usually ends with the username belonging to your Instagram account. So on this page, have my profile picture. As you can see, I'm a verified influencer and I promote home and kitchen products. So to create your storefront, you click create content, then click idea list. So let's say you want to promote vacuum cleaners. You can just copy this and paste there, then create. So from this, you can come and search for vacuum cleaners. Then you click the plus in order to add them to your idea list. As you can see, it's already in my idea list. And after creating your idea list, make a review about this product and share a link to this product. So this small arrow here is getting to this product. Click that and click copy. Then make a review and tell people that there's a link in description for you to access this product. I can show you some of the product I'm promoting. You can see this one, portable electric heater. These are some of the heaters. So I made a review of this product and I share the link on description. This one. And when someone click on the link and he or she purchase the heater, I'll earn a commission. As simple as that, guys. So what you have to do is sign up, get approved, make a review about the product and share the link on description. And when someone clicks on that, you will earn a commission if he or she purchase the product. As simple as that. So this is the list of the products I'm promoting. So guys, let me show you if this really works. So let's click and view my report on my earnings. So guys, as you can see, this is my earnings for the last 7 days. 38 items have been ordered and all of them have been shipped, and I was able to earn $200. So this shows that this program works and you'll be able to earn extra income from home. And this money will be sent to my bank account, and in the next video I'll show you how to add your bank account to your influencer program. So you just come to here where it shows your email address. You just come here to a place where it shows your email address and click on account settings. On account settings, you will come and click change payment methods and fill in your details, your account details. So I'll leave a link in the description that will show you how you can create a bank account if you are not within the US, in order for this money to be transferred to your bank account. So you will register with Pioneer, where it will enable you to create a bank account.
So after earning the commission, it will be sent to your bank account. That is if you are in USA, but if you are not in US, you can also get paid to your bank account. That is through Pioneer. So guys, I'll share with you a video in which you can create an account similar to USA bank account using the Pioneer, and I'll leave a link in description to share with you how you can create an account with Pioneer. So you can add the bank details in Pioneer to your Amazon influencer account so that you can get paid. So when you get paid, you will transfer the money from Pioneer to your local bank, and that's how you will get your money. As simple as that. So if you like this video, guys, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I'm here to show you more ways to make money online. This is just a start, so wait for more.